You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name that is indeed a little bit confusing, once and for all, correctly if you want to learn more confusing names, including from Norse mythology. Stay tuned. This one is derived also from Norse, but also Scottish, and it's pronounced Glen. Irish, also Scottish, also Norse or Swedish. Glen is how to pronounce it. In all of those languages, the pronunciation is pretty consistent. It's always how to pronounce Glen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.